Hey hip chicks, I have to tell you, you all know how much I love red, but green is my second favorite color, and there's 3 reasons why I'm loving green this weekend. And the first reason is, of course, always my Irish roots. I've always got a little bit of green running through my veins. And secondly is the Eagles. I will admit, this is the first time I have ever watched a football game in its entirety. Not a big fan of the game, just didn't get the whole appeal. But after watching this Eagles team, I am a believer. Not in the game itself, but in these men, phenomenal men, that really represent sportsmanship and grace and integrity. And I'm a fan, so yay to the Eagles for a fabulous win. But there's one other green that I really love, and this green is the Hangman green. Hangman is a fabulous company. It's based in the US. Most of their stuff is American made, and they even have a woman who's the head of the marketing department, which I just love. So, but what I wanted to show you is my garage was a bomb 3 weeks ago. I'm talking a bomb. And if you've been in my garage, you know what I'm talking about it. I just have too much stuff, and I needed to make more sense of it. I could never find enough tools. I didn't have enough of a good place to arrange and spread out and keep track. But I hung the Hangman wall organizer, and wow, look at this. I am so thrilled. This 3-peg board system was phenomenal. It took me 30 minutes to hang this. That's it, 30 minutes. You find the stud, you drive a screw right into the 3 tracks, you pop in your pegboards, you drop on your top rail, and boom. Now the really cool thing is all the accessories that come with it. So you can make anything you want in terms of your shelving and cubbies, and I have to tell you how awesome these little connectors are that hold the pegs into the pegboard. Sometimes with old pegboards, you know, you strip the holes and then the hooks don't stay. So these are really great. They have these little white connectors on them, and it keeps everything in place. And it also comes with shelving options. So I have a big shelf up top that I have my drill bag and my uncle's toolbox. It's a toolbox my uncle gave my aunt when she got her apartment as a single woman, and she's since passed it on to me. So that one's sentimental, and it's up out of the way. But how cool is this? This funky little tool shelf that has holes built in it, so I can keep all the things I need real handy right at my fingertips. So check out this system. You can buy it online, get it right delivered to your house, and between now and spring training for baseball is a perfect time to get your basement or garage organized. And you crafters, you could certainly put this on a wall in a crafting corner and make great use of it. So check it out. It's from Hangman, and seriously, I love these folks. And yes, they've hired me to do some promoting for them, but I reached out to them because I really liked their products that I was finding in the stores, and then we moved on with a relationship. So check out their stuff. It's good, good company, family owned, and it's hard to find that kind of stuff anymore.